Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Good evening, everyone. I'm with my manager, Mr. Afsan Sahil. And now today we're going to draw the gift for all Filipino for today. We prepared some gift for Filipino today. This is 4 winner for today, and Mr. Afsan will take who will be the winner for today. Now we will start for the fourth prize now. Okay. Yes, mashallah, mashallah.
And the first one is
The fourth.
Where?
This will be the fourth. Okay. Can you read the name, sir?
read it, no problem.
Okay. I will read the name for the fourth, guys. This is the fourth one. This is Miss Irene Marites Inday. Just a moment. Ayan. Okay, it's clear, sister. You are the winner of fourth. You win kettle heater. Okay, this is number 4.
Okay, the second one,
Can you read, sir?
read it, no problem.
Okay, the winner from the second is the Kapamilya Supermarket Al Salama. Ayan, supermarket. They are the group. They are the winner. Okay, this is the third. Here we pressure cooker. Mashallah.
nice one.
Pressure cooker.
Take this, read it, no problem.
Okay, now the third one, guys. And
Third
the
one
winner is Chris SB Irog. Oh, Mr. Chris SB Irog.
Congratulations, Chris.
You win.
And
Wait,
the last one,
just a moment. Coffee maker machine, brother. You win the coffee maker machine. This is your number, sir. So please, you
Okay.
can confirm it.
now this is the 4 one,
Okay, now
The
this
last.
is the last one, guys.
not the least.
Okay, the winner for the microwave oven for the first prize. Okay. Dan 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 dan. Jovelyn Acosalem. So, Miss Jovelyn Acosalem, you win a microwave oven here in Citylink Cargo.
Okay, one extra from my side, it's a
What?
washing machine.
Mashallah, washing machine.
Do it,
Do it. Seriously?
do it.
Okay.
It's washing machine.
Washing machine from Mr. Afsan. Oh, this is not mentioned, but
Oh,
now.
it's all from Citylink Cargo.
Okay. Abahero Marin for washing machine, according to my boss, he will give you a washing machine. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. All winner can come here in our office, so we can give you your prices and what
Right.
what you can tell for our consumer of Citylink Cargo, Mr. Sahil.
Thank you, Kabayan, for supporting us. Inshallah, we'll do our best and make the best service, inshallah.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Wassalam. Bye.
Walaikum salam.